Hey, curious kids, Miss Corinne here. Hope everyone's doing well, and I miss you all very much. So today we are going to continue reading the Gerald and Piggy books, and today is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. So let's see what we think this story could be about by looking at the front cover. All right, we'll see what it's all about. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want Yes? So what do you think Gerald's about to do here? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? So, Piggy's trying to figure out what Gerald's about to say. What do you think he's going to say or do? Chew! That was a really big sneeze. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! What can Gerald not stop doing? Yep, can't stop sneezing. Sneezing! Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Oh no. So Gerald is worried that maybe pigs make him sneeze. And who is a pig? Piggy. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. So why is Piggy asking Gerald to sneeze more softly? What happened every time that Gerald would sneeze? Yep, Piggy would go flying. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. How do you think that makes Gerald feel? He doesn't look too happy about that. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Oh, you see Piggy down here? Piggy's getting ready for a really big sneeze. Put a helmet on. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Oh. Question mark and then sniff. So who's Gerald going to see? Gerald's going to see a doctor, maybe. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. So, Gerald keeps sneezing, so he went to see a doctor. You go see a doctor when you're sick, right? Yep. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Oh. So, Gerald sneezed again, but do we see Piggy anywhere? Nope. So do we think that pigs are making Gerald sneeze? All right, let's find out. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. So Dr. Cat is saying that he does not think that pigs or cats are making Gerald sneeze. Is there anything that you can think of that you think that would be making Gerald sneeze right now? All right, let's see. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. Have you ever had a cold where your nose is runny and you can't stop sneezing or coughing? Yes, we all have. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor! So why is Gerald happy now? He's happy he's sick, but why? Yep, because that means he can be around his best friend Piggy, and she's not the one making him sneeze. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. So now Gerald's all happy running back to Piggy, and what's wrong with Piggy? Yup, I think that Piggy caught Gerald's cold. The end. So now it's our favorite time of the story to find that silly pigeon. Let's see. I see a whole lot of piggies. Where's the pigeon? Is she up here? No. Is she over here? No. Oh, there it is. There's that silly pigeon. All right, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this story. I will be sending out a message to your parents so that they can do an activity with you along with this book. All right, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye.